Hello and welcome to an Automat video. We've got a car that's come in today. The customer complaint is that his air conditioning is not as cold as what it normally is. He says it's still getting cold, but not quite as cold as he would like it. So what we're going to do is we're going to carry out some tests and see exactly how cold it is now, see what our gas levels are, and then we will recharge it as necessary, test it again, and make sure it's all good. So let's watch the process. Okay, so the first job is we're going to measure the vent temperature. We use a simple tool for that. I'll just show that to you now. This is the tool that we use. Little digital thermometer. It's very simple. Just put the probe into the vent. Make sure that the vent's switched on, which it is. Back up here. And then we're going to start the vehicle. We're going to make sure that the air conditioning is on the circulation, good fan speed, and then we're going to monitor our vent temperature. As we can see by that, it's not really cooling at all. If anything, the temperature is going up slightly. So our next job, open the bonnet and see what gas levels we've got. Okay, what we're going to do now, we're going to find air conditioning service ports. Then we're going to connect our manifold and see what our pressures are. So these are air conditioning service ports. Just unscrew these. A bit like a giant valve cap on a tyre. Got one there. And then we've got one down here. Unscrew that one as well. And then we have our manifold here. Tells us the gas pressures. Just going to make sure valves are switched off so that we don't lose any gas. Okay, next job, attach the manifold to the service port. So low pressure side up here, so the blue one just clip on like so, and then the red one, high pressure, clips on down here like so. And then the next job is to turn these taps on. Listen for a gas. Not going too tight to damage anything. And then we're going to look at our gauges. So we can see this system has refrigerant in it. So next job, start the car up. See what these gauges are. This thing is running now. Looking at our figures on these gauges, we can see that the gas is low, the refrigerant rather is low. So we're going to turn the engine off now, connect the equipment, and carry out a full evacuation and put new refrigerant in and also new panel into the system, and then test it once it's all done. This is the equipment that we use. This is our air conditioning machine. All we've got to do now is attach it up. Okay, so that's the equipment connected to the vehicle. Now what we're going to do, we're going to go through the menu on the equipment, select the vehicle, and then start the process. Okay, so we've carried out the regas now. Now we're going to recheck our vent temperature and see what we've got. So as we can see, this is now down low sixes, late 5 centigrades. Massive improvement from the 21, I think it was, before we carried out the process. So this customer's going to stay nice and cool this summer. If you need any air conditioning jobs done, or you think your air conditioning is not performing as it should do, just give us a call. Details are down below. Thank you very much.